No, can I finish my answer? You don't tell me
Yeah,
anything.
I did tell you because we saw what you're the Attorney General of the United States.
You're
and the rules.
obsessed with Donald Trump. You have Trump derangement syndrome.
U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi sparred with members of the House Judiciary Committee on Wednesday as she faced questions over the Justice Department's handling of the Jeffrey Epstein files.
Literally the worst thing you could do to the survivors, you did.
Republican Representative Thomas Massie from Kentucky accused the Justice Department of a massive failure to comply with the law, questioning why the names of some Epstein survivors were released, while billionaire Leslie Wexner's name was redacted in an FBI document.
Les Wexner is in this. Now, your deputy attorney general said, oh, well, he appears hundreds of times in the files. But he doesn't appear in this file until I forced you to release it, where he's listed as a co-conspirator, not to tax evasion, but to child sex trafficking.
Within 40 minutes, Wexner's name was added back.
Within 40 minutes of me catching you red-handed.
Wexner, a former CEO and founder of Victoria's Secret owner L Brands, has denied knowledge of Epstein's criminal activities and has not been accused of criminal wrongdoing. The Justice Department released what it called the final cache of more than 3 million pages of documents late last month. It drew renewed attention to wealthy and powerful individuals who maintained ties with Epstein, even after his conviction for soliciting prostitution from a minor. Lawmakers have complained that redactions in the files appear to go beyond the limited exemptions allowed in a law Congress passed nearly unanimously in November. The department has also declined to publish a large volume of material, citing legal privileges. Bondi said more than 500 Justice Department lawyers worked on a compressed timeline to review reams of material.
And if you brought us a victim's name that was inadvertently released, we immediately redacted it.
In her opening statement, she said any disclosure of victims' identities was inadvertent.
To the survivors in the room, if you are willing, please stand.
Democratic Representative Pramila Jayapal from Washington asked Bondi to apologize to survivors of Epstein's alleged crimes for the department's rollout of the files. Instead, Bondi asked why the same question was not asked of her predecessor under Democratic President Joe Biden's administration.
Congresswoman, you sat before Merrick Garland sat in this chair twice.
Restore her time. The witness is interrupted.
I'm not going to get in the gutter with this woman.
Stop the time.
She's doing theatrics.
Let me have my...